Hello guys, welcome to our new video. In the last video, we have learned the concept of navigation component for the drawer. Today we'll learn how to create the bottom navigation. Okay, fine. In the let's for this make the another package. Let's give the package as navigation in the bottom name. That's it. Okay, here need to create right click new activity. Okay, here we can check, we can create the multiple, sorry, can you file. Here we can check, we can create multiple. Here from here also, here only we have created the navigation drawer. From the same we have an option for the bottom navigation activity. We have just click, just give the name as bottom nav, not an issue, fine, just finish. Okay, here we can check the activity is created, wait for the building. Let's firstly close all the, okay, fine, here we can check bottom navigation. Okay, here giving error, let's activity bottom navigation, fine. Let's import these statements. Okay, fine. Here we can check the home dashboard created, home fragment created, notification is created. Okay, fine. Here just need to do the proper binding. Okay. Here we have a dashboarding. Fine. All errors are gone. What are the errors into this? Okay, just remove this import. Okay, fine. Just go to home fragment. Here also we'll give the home fragment binding. Just remove this, no need any text. Just remove this extra import. Just go to bottom nav. What are the errors? Okay, in the imports we have, just remove this. Okay, fine. Just go to the binding. Okay, in the code. Okay, fine. Here we can check draw bottom navigation XML file created, app bar drawer XML created. Okay. Also we have in the menu section we have created a drawer XML. Into that we have, this is the setting icon. Okay, bottom navigation menu. Here we all the items are automatically added into this. This is the home navigation notification. We can change this also. Let's go to the main. These are the multiple files are which are automatically created. We can check this one by one, not an issue. Okay, this is the menu. Okay, firstly let's check in manifest. Okay, just need to give this proper name. Okay, we need to remove this, we don't need this metadata. Okay, fine, just fragment. Okay, clear. As per the last video, what are the components automatically was created in the, okay, fine, let's give fragment navigation notification fragment. Okay, fine. Firstly, if you want to launch this activity, firstly we need to call this. I will call this activity from the login button, login from login only. Wait for this. Let's try to run this first. Just go to login fragment. Here we can check from the last video we have created this intent to call the navigation drawer, navigation drawer. Okay, here only we can change the name. We can give the our activity name. This is the bottom nav. Okay, let's try to run this. So guys, here just no need this action configuration app. Okay, just comment this code and just try to run our application. Okay, here our application. I will run it again and just show you the output. Okay, fine. On the here I have given on the click of registered here text. Here you can check our drawer. Our bottom navigation is up and running. So guys, in the upcoming video, we'll merge the our last video, which was for the drawer, and this video for the bottom navigation. We'll merge and we'll see you what will the output. Okay. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please do subscribe and share with your friends. Thank you.